still, the air so cold, when whispers turn to scream so bold. A spark took hold, the sky turned red, as fire danced where children fled. Sirens wail, the brave draw near, faces set, they hide their fear.